I look like Bear Grylls when he was stung by 100 bees. When I wake up, check. Good morning, everyone. I hope you're all well today. What day is it today? It is a Saturday and it is 10 to 2 and I have just woken up, but I mean, we're not going to talk about it, no judgment here, of course. I was up all night last night editing my Halloween Say It or Shot It video. So far I've read through English. I haven't had a coffee yet today. Character development, is it? Or is it hindering my, probably hindering my character? I was reading through the comments and there were lots of nice ones actually, which is nice to see because I don't really feel like it takes a detective to see that my comment section has been a little bit spicy recently, let's just say. Obviously we have just gone into a lockdown, so I thought I would like take you along on sort of what a day is gonna look like for me from now on. Me, Lewis and Olivia have been so busy just sort of going out, like living life. I am kind of excited to slow down a bit and hopefully it means I'll have like a lot more time for other things. I'm gonna start like working out, all that stuff. There, I really just put it out there so I can't go back on that one. Oh my god.
Rule number 1, if it's about me, at me so I can see it. Rule number 2, if you heard shit that ain't come from me, then don't believe it. Cause
I think my first calling this morning is coffee. Do you want to see the state of the flat? Do you? Do I want to show you? Probably two completely different answers. Oh no. See, look, this is what happens when you're a YouTuber. Just PR, like PR central. Watch me blame the flat being a mess on PR. Honestly, I don't know how many two people can make this much mess, but anyway, here we are. I also picked up some more Starbucks blonde roast espresso. This is like my favorite coffee ever. Maybe because it doesn't taste like coffee. I know I'm gonna be terrifying so many coffee connoisseurs right now. I want to show you me making the coffee, but the kitchen is so messy. I actually just don't think I can bring myself to do it. So see when I got coffee. Oh my god, she is so sexy. No, you are way too sexy to not be in my belly within 5 minutes. Olivia's up and now we're gonna sip my coffee, clean the flat, and then I've actually got some exciting little bits to show you guys and something so exciting. A haul table came. Well, I say haul table, it's going in my room and I'm gonna hopefully like try and use it as a dressing table, but I have been waiting for this bad boy for I'd say a good over a month. My room has honestly really been a work in progress. I've been struggling. Should I put you down and have a coffee chat? Fine, I'll sit down for another 5 minutes. You know, I clearly need more rest after my however long sleep. My room has been such a work in progress because of lovely Miss Rona delaying all of my furniture deliveries, but we won't talk about it. It's also been really like foggy and hazy in London for the last couple of days. We walked into the flat the other morning and it was literally white. Like you looked outside our windows and it was white.
I don't think I've ever looked ugly. I've got a hair mask, face mask and teeth whitening strips on, but we move, we're all friends here. I'm genuinely not being dramatic. I will insert the photos here. It was actually like something out of a horror movie.
Sign, the apocalypse is coming. You heard it here first. Should I do a fun little transition to clean the flat, okay? I've already cleaned the kitchen a bit. Ooh. Wait, go like that, go like that. 3, 2, 1. Ooh, slight improvements, nothing crazy, nothing dramatic, but she's defo looking a little bit more put together apart from this. This is a whole nother story, but I'm gonna show you guys like some fun PR stuff I've been sent recently. I've also like neatened up my bedroom a little bit so that I can get my new table in. I'm gonna get my dressing table in. Who's excited? Probably only me. I love me a bit of home interior. I honestly, the Zoella in me is really popping out right now. Oh, it's kind of light.
What are you gonna do?
What?
You're gonna put in a chair and do your makeup?
Yeah, I think I'm gonna put a little stool. Let's get a knife on this bad boy. Let me know if you've tried Olivia's beans and avocado toast recipe and also what you thought of it. Because I'm not mad at it.
You and Nurse seem to really enjoy it.
I'm not sure what purpose or function I want it to be serving right now in my life, but I just saw it and knew I needed it. Oh, I took it out, fucking upside down, done. Wow, I can't wait to have this box in the flat for the next however many weeks. Mine and Olivia's toxic trait is just not taking the
Hoarding boxes.
It's just hoarding boxes. she is in and she is so beautiful. I really want to get a big gold mirror to go above here, and I think I can make it work as a dressing table. I mean, it's supposed to be a hall table, which is what I wanted because it means it's really slim, because that's obviously the space between my bed and stuff. But I think she's so pretty. I just love it. It's the consensus. Yeah, with like a cute little stool underneath. Some nice like gold jewelry trays. Might move a few bits from over there onto here. Mirror? Yeah, I think I am gonna get a mirror. You're looking very festive.
These are festive PJs.
They're really cute. Okay, got a little bit of something going on, but oh. I did not want to see that. I haven't been using these. You guys know I love Revitalash. It makes your eyelashes really long, and I've noticed such a difference. Like, my eyelashes are falling out. Terrifying, I know. I'm gonna get some better stuff for it. I just felt like it looked a little bit sad, but now my chest of drawers are looking sad. How cute as well. Aww. 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 Love it. Love it. Also, this is the issue with waking up at 1:30 is I wake up and the day is starting to finish. Olivia found this app called Borrow My Doggy, and you can take other people's dogs out for walks, which will be the highlight of both of our lockdown. I'm pretty sure she's already contacted a sausage dog owner. You know, we're big sausage dog enthusiasts in this house. Fun fact, actually, Olivia was gonna get a sausage dog when we first moved to London, and then my mum bought us these, like, no offense, they're kind of ugly. These like kind of ugly sausage dog tea towels. Don't know why you needed to know that, but here we are. You would be correct in assuming I have had a quick little 30-minute nap, hence why I've got that like post nap flushed cheek. You know, I always feel like I look like a baby. Everyone always goes on about the smell of babies, and I've never actually smelt
Really? Like talcum powder?
a baby. I've never held a baby.
Really?
Yeah.
Interesting.
Shocking from a maternal woman like me, but I don't actually have any cousins. There's another little fun fact for you that I'm pretty sure I've managed to bring up in every single video. I said to you I was going to show you some of the PR stuff I got, so I'm going to be doing exactly that. If I can find it, that is. One of the first things I got, very exciting. I'm just gonna whiz through everything because I know some people like PR hauls, I know some people don't, but I personally love it. I find it all very exciting, especially as this is all stuff I would actually spend my own money on. I got a ton of stuff from Jess Hunt's Refi Beauty collection, and I have already used the sort of soap brow gel thing, and it is sensational. It's like soap brows in a pot. Like, it keeps your eyebrows in place, and I have really quite short eyebrow hairs, so I always find that eyebrow gel, it will keep it in place, but sort of not the way I want to. This is the only thing I've ever used in my life. It keeps it in place, and I'm not just saying it because I've been sent it. It's genuinely amazing. Jess Hunt is the queen of eyebrows. You heard it here first. Oh, tweezers, very handy. I will be giving these to my mum because my mum like loses a pair of tweezers every single day. She is an active tweezer user.
So was my mom.
Mums love tweezers. Okay, and next, another really exciting package. I got sent a huge package from Gymshark. I am a big Gymshark fan, currently wearing Gymshark as we speak. Once again, the legs looking like chicken goujons. I've just got such like bizarre shaped legs, but these leggings are literally the comfiest leggings ever. I'm obsessed with them. I haven't had a pair of just like plain black leggings in so long. They're just so easy and convenient to throw on, go to the house. Oh, QVC, hire me. Coffee.
QVC.
I never heard of QVC.
No, what is it?
Shopping channel. Do they not have that in Ireland?
Maybe I just don't really watch shopping channels to be fair.
No, nor do I really. I would be concerned if I started watching the shopping channel. Gymshark are working with me on the next couple minutes of this video, and I'm really excited to tell you that they have up to 50% off. Yes, you heard it right, 50% off on November the 13th. They are having huge Black Friday sales, so I thought I would pick up a few pieces to show you. I'm gonna start off with showing you my favorite. I'm pretty sure, Olivia, you have this one, right? Too, don't you?
Yeah, I love it.
I love this one. I think it's so pretty. It's basically just like a really cute little bralette, and then these are the matching leggings. These are also probably, I'd say, maybe my favorite pair of leggings because they have that nice thick waistband which like really cinches your waist in, makes you look super snatched, and then they've just got Gymshark written across the bum. I then also picked up a set in this sort of nude color. I thought, you know, change things up a bit. I was about to say a spring vibe, but we are definitely not entering spring, although I did see a tweet the other day that said like March is 4 months away. Terrifying. Don't want to talk about it.
Apparently by spring we're gonna have the boxing.
Hallelujah, baby. These are the Adapt Mold seamless leggings. Love them, so cute. And then obviously I got a matching sports bra. This one's got a really cute back on it actually. I then also got this grey set, which I love, and I love the contrast on the matching bra. Once again, got a really cute back, got the kind of double layer details. They thought it all out. They know what they're doing. They also do some other prints. They have this backled print here. This bra is just crossover and holds it in the back. These are gonna make the tatas look lifted to the high heavens, which, guys, my boobs are kind of coming back. Along with that is maybe a little bit more belly than I would like, but they're there, they're back. We are welcoming them with open arms. They have this like animal print, grey, black, a kind of cool way to jazz up your leggings a little bit while still keeping it neutral. They also do the animal print in sort of a pinky color as well, so cute. I then also picked up a little pastel moment, something very different to me. I do usually keep to black gym wear just because I feel comfortable in it, but how sweet, what a lovely little color. Same sports bra. It's like got a bra built in, so you don't have to wear a bra underneath, and you can actually also take the pads out of these ones. But if you want a free boob job, leave them in. You didn't hear it from me. Then also got these plain sort of charcoaly leggings, another sports bra in sort of the camo-y print, a long sleeve top for the days you can't be bothered to shave your armpits, which is me every day. If you wake up every morning and shave your armpits, you've really got your shit together, and I admire you. I also have a cropped sweater, which did come with matching joggers, but I cannot find them for the life of me. Someone probably saw the joggers on me, thought, oh my god, that girl looks so fly in those Gymshark joggers, I'm gonna steal them. We have not had anyone in our flat for approximately 2 weeks other than Lewis, so I doubt Lewis would want them, but I mean, you never know. And I forgot to mention, I also have the matching top to the leggings I am currently wearing. So that is my little Gymshark haul. Make sure you cop some stuff on the Black Friday sales, like up to 50% off. That is a bargain. If you know a gym enthusiast, I can think of no better present for Christmas. So, I mean, couple bargain whilst you can. This is what the gym girls do, isn't it? Do I look like a Gymshark athlete now? This is really not working. How do they do it? It's really not working out for me. When I said boob job, I really meant it with my chest, like, whoa, where did they come from? Wearing a Gymshark set on my walk. Of course, this honestly just is so flattering. I'm obsessed with it, love it. And you know, I'm not necessarily working out, definitely not working out, a leisurely stroll with a pumpkin spice latte. I don't think so, but I really think we should all be getting into gym wear, even just for comfort. Like, this stuff is so perfect to even just lounge around the house in, do your Sainsbury's shopping. Oh, talking of Sainsbury's shops, I've been really getting into detergents recently, like getting very enthusiastic about detergents. I will be showing you my detergent collection later, but probably currently in a rush. It is 3:30, so the sun is going to start setting soon, which is kind of exciting in itself because it's autumn, but then is it exciting because Winter Wonderland is cancelled? Still a very sensitive topic to me. Not sure if I'm ready to talk about it on the internet yet. Wholesome evening walks. Where's your I am the main character and I won't let anyone tell me any different. Also got a Pret cappuccino and it was very enjoyable. I even got a turmeric latte, and I'm not gonna lie, I'm not sure how I feel about turmeric lattes. I'll say it. There, I said it with my chest. Queen. I am rather partial to a chai latte. Is that a police boat? God, I'm just always learning things, man. I'd love to know what all these boats are doing. Olivia said she thinks they're like transporting building stuff around London.
That's a police boat there.
I know.
Yeah.
I never knew police boats were a thing. Today, queen of learning stuff.
Should I do a TikTok?
Sorry.
A dancing one? A silly one?
Fuck it. Fuck it. So I'm actually, wow, this day's really gone in reverse. I'm actually looking probably the most presentable I've looked. I'm gonna go as far as to say all week at this rate. I've lit a few candles, set the tone in my room for no one other than myself, because lockdown and single. Vibes in this bitch. I've just filmed a video which will hopefully be with you soon. I'm really enjoying it. I've done my makeup because I had to film a little bit of a video, but I think I'm gonna close this vlog off here. I'm not really gonna do anything for the rest of the night. I think Olivia's actually made dinner for me and her, which will be just delightful. I used the Jess Hunt Refi on my brows, and as you can see, they are really thriving right now. But on that note, honeys, I do think I'm gonna finish this video. I'm just gonna have a chill night. Maybe I'll do like a face mask. I've actually been really struggling to sleep recently. It's actually really quite bad. The other day I just couldn't sleep the whole night, and I was up for, I'd say maybe like 30 hours before I had a nap for an hour, but I had so much to do in the day, like I couldn't really sleep, so I could only sleep for like an hour. I'm just really struggling. So if you have any tips to help with sleeping, I feel like this is something that a lot of people do suffer with in lockdown. I know the first round of lockdown I really struggled to get to sleep then. But yeah, I am gonna close this video off here. I really hope you enjoyed it. It was a very chill one. I hope you're all having a wonderful evening. I hope you're all okay and you're coping well in lockdown. Leave the sort of things you're doing to keep happy and keep sane. I've been really enjoying walks and stuff, especially in London. I don't actually really walk around the area I live in much, and I'm really enjoying doing so. I love you all so much. I'm thinking of each and every one of you. I know it's hard times, but we got this together. So I will see you guys all in my next video. Bye. Actually, you know, I say bye every single time and I still feel awkward doing it. Anyway.